In the December 2019 issue of Hornby magazine, we review Hornby's eagerly awaited diminutive 00 gauge Ruston and Hornsby 48DS 4-wheel diesel shunter. Announced in January, this delightful new model is available in various liveries. Our example was finished in Ruston and Hornsby factory-lined green, but it's also available in John Dewar & Sons, War Department and Longmorn distillery guises. The Ruston is a weighty affair, which aids its adhesion and smooth performance. As delivered, this tiny locomotive comes with a specially adapted conflat barrier wagon, which is semi-permanently connected for additional electrical pickups. Although, as you can see, we put our sample to the test on its own, where it performed admirably on Hornby magazine's office test track, running smoothly and quietly throughout, hauling a modest rake of half a dozen wagons. The conflat is easily disconnected and uncoupled from the locomotive. You can read the full review on Hornby's new 00 gauge Ruston 48DS 4-wheel diesel locomotive in the December 2019 issue of Hornby magazine.